So in those days, there was a Hebrew Actors Union that still existed, but existed with all these people coming to meetings. Herman Yablokov, with whom I did one show, was the president. Jack Rechtzeit was the vice president. Irving Jacobson was active there, and Ida Kaminska would come, and Ben Bonus, and the room was packed with stars and semi-stars and costume designers and Paula Kadison, the pianist, the Luba Kadison's sister. Luba Kadison was Bulov's wife, and all the Renee Solomon, the pianist from Paris, who played at all the Yiddish theater productions. And those meetings were incredible. They were wild. First they would serve like dinner and schnapps. Everybody would get a little high, and then the screaming would start, and then the speeches would start, and they could do. Yablokov, I have an image of Yablokov standing at the door by the kitchen with a clock over his head going like this for hours, and him still speaking and screaming, "Ich bin der Präsident von der Jiddische Akteurenunion und ich darf gehen kaufen toilet paper." So, memorable line, at which point Pesach Geburstein was sitting next to me and says, "Avande, wo me kaktu azoy pil."